Hey there, future spend mappers. I'm guessing this is the first video tutorial that most people are going to watch, so let me be the first to welcome you to SpendMap. Today we're going to take a very high-level look through the system. This tutorial will introduce you to the main components of SpendMap and what it can do for your business, and help you decide which modules you might want to start with. I think some people might come across this system overview video while evaluating SpendMap during the sales process. If you're looking to be dazzled, please reach out to our ridiculously good-looking sales team who have much better resources for that. But if you're looking to implement SpendMap in your business, this high-level software overview is a pretty good place to start. In a nutshell, SpendMap is software that automates the purchasing or procurement process in businesses and other types of organizations. Now, you don't actually have to install any software if you don't want to. SpendMap can be installed on your own hardware if you like, or we can host our SaaS version for you in the cloud. SpendMap comes with mobile, desktop, and web applications, so it's easy for your users to access the system, whether they're working at the office, working from home, or on the road. Aside from automating your purchase orders, we offer many other optional modules as well, to do things like manage your suppliers' bids and quotations, to automate your requisition and approval process, to easily approve your suppliers' invoices for payment, and to manage your inventory. So SpendMap is often called a procure-to-pay or rec-to-check system. That said, only the main purchasing module is mandatory, everything else is optional, and SpendMap is easily expandable, so you can start small and add modules down the road if you like. Let's start with a quick look at the main purchasing module, which is the core of the SpendMap system. Aside from creating and managing your purchase orders, the main purchasing module also includes all of the system-wide stuff that you can use to set up and maintain the system, like the master files that you can select information from when entering purchase orders, requisitions, and other documents. The main purchasing module also includes reporting tools, integration and configuration tools, and all the other system-wide features and settings. When it comes to creating new purchase orders, there's a few options in SpendMap. If you're using other modules like requisitions and RFQs, these documents can be converted or flipped into purchase orders for you automatically. Or you can enter new POs from scratch right here in your PO work area. You can copy previous POs or PO templates to save time, or you can just fill in the screen, selecting from the various master files to reduce data entry. When your new purchase orders are ready, they can be sent to your suppliers by email or fax, or you can push new orders directly into your suppliers' e-commerce websites like Amazon and Staples. If you're old school, you can print hard copy POs or just call in your orders verbally while still maintaining a copy in SpendMap for your records. To watch a full-length video tutorial on creating purchase orders in SpendMap, check out our YouTube channel or our website. And if you're brand new to SpendMap, there's a free prize inside waiting for you at SpendMap.com, where you can get a totally and forever free version of our purchasing module to automate your purchase orders if that's all you're looking for software to do. To better control your spending, SpendMap lets you insert a super easy approval process at key points in the procurement workflow when staff are about to make financial commitments on behalf of the company, like in advance of placing purchase orders with suppliers or reimbursing someone's expenses, before taking items out of stock, before paying a supplier's invoice, and so on. For example, instead of processing an actual purchase order in SpendMap, a buyer might create a purchase requisition instead, which looks exactly like a purchase order, only it needs to be reviewed by one or more approvers before actually going to the supplier. For end-user requisitioning or a large user community, SpendMap's super easy storefront lets your staff shop for the products and services that they need, just like when shopping online at home, only with much more control. Using either their computer, tablet, or smartphone, your staff can select from your list of approved items, or they can enter free-form requisitions without using an item catalog. Either way, new requests for spending can be routed for online approval based on flexible business rules, such as the dollar amount, department, item category, and so on. Approvers will receive an automatic email notification to let them know that they have new orders to approve, and they can approve or reject the requisitions right from the body of the email message, or they can log into SpendMap to review their requisitions, either on their computers, tablets, or phones. And again, once requisitions are fully approved, they can be converted or flipped into purchase orders to be sent to your suppliers with no additional data entry. As our most popular optional module, we have a bunch of video tutorials on requisitions and approvals if you'd like to learn more. When your suppliers ship products or provide services, orders can be received in SpendMap, which will automatically update many areas of the system, like the status of the purchase order and the supplier's delivery performance. If you're using the optional inventory and asset management modules, receiving will also update inventory levels automatically. Whether you need central or end-user receiving, it's super easy for your staff to record receipts, either using a tablet, smartphone, or desktop computer. Check out the full video tutorial on receiving to learn more about how receiving supports the other parts of the procurement process. Once products or services have been purchased and received, SpendMap's optional invoice approval module makes it super easy to approve your supplier's invoices for payment. By matching supplier invoices to purchase orders and receipts already in SpendMap, you can rest assured that the price is right and that you've actually received the items before any money changes hands. But doing this three-way match in SpendMap is much faster and easier than trying to match paper invoices to purchase orders and packing slips. All the supporting documentation is at your fingertips, and most of the data entry is done for you because it comes from the underlying PO and receipts that are already in SpendMap. And once approved for payment in SpendMap, invoices can be sent to your accounts payable system for processing through the built-in AP interface. SpendMap comes with pre-built integrations for popular accounting and ERP systems like QuickBooks, Sage, and Microsoft Dynamics. If you maintain an inventory of consumable items or fixed assets, SpendMap's optional inventory control modules can make your life a whole lot easier. Since the inventory modules are fully integrated with the other modules in SpendMap, your inventory levels will be updated instantly when items are received or when items are taken out of stock. So say goodbye to those never-ending inventory counts. SpendMap always knows how much you have left in stock, so you'll have this information at your fingertips, for example, when you want to know the dollar value of your inventory or when deciding what needs to be reordered. With clear inventory visibility and the ability to replenish stock quickly and easily, you can keep inventory levels to a minimum to reduce inventory carrying costs without having to worry about running out of stock. So that's SpendMap in a nutshell. I hope this helped point you in the right direction. Before you actually roll up your sleeves to implement a module, take a look at the more detailed video tutorials on our YouTube channel or reach out to our client services team for some one-on-one training. And please don't forget to like and share our videos to help spread the word about SpendMap. Thanks again everyone, and so long for now.